Hey everyone, this is Evilcrossover back with another review, and this is for the Guaever wrist electronic blood pressure monitor. Now it cuffs your wrist. It gives you the automatic blood pressure machine with backlit display, and it has a memory and voice broadcast. And it comes with batteries, so you have the LCD screen as you can see here. And then also, let's see here, you wrap it on your wrist, press the button, and then you have a memory check there. These are the product specs. If you want to take a look at the product specs. All right, let's open it up and see what it is. Okay, so right off the bat, we do see here that it looks like it has instructions, a nice thick instruction manual, and then it has this little holder here for the wrist blood pressure machine. Now let's get out of this packaging here. Let's show you what it is. So it should come with two AA batteries, and there we go. So we have two AA batteries, and we have the nice blood pressure monitor. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at this nice and simple blood pressure monitor right there. So that's cool. So yeah, we're gonna see if when we throw in some batteries, let's see how easy it is to throw in the batteries and then get it going. So yeah, definitely this one looks like one of the easier ones if you don't like to put it on your your arm. Right now you have a way to definitely put it on your wrist. So let's get these batteries in. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see where we put them at. Looks like right here. Slide that up. So it looks like a spring here. And spring here. It's good that they actually do give you batteries. Some companies are not even giving you batteries to put this on. And wow, look at that display. Look at that display. Let's try to get it on our wrist here. And let's see. Tells you right here. Gives you the little arm for the wrist there. Tells you to put the monitor right above on the wrist here. So you open up your hand and you're going to put it right over here. So just like this, we're going to put it on. Let's just get it nice. All right, so we got it on. Don't move and be quiet, she said. So it definitely has the feeling of just like you would get your blood pressure taken at the doctor's.
Your systolic pressure is 151 millimeter of mercury. The diastolic pressure is 114 millimeter of mercury. The heart rate is 100 beats per minute, according to World Health Organization standards. Your blood pressure level probably indicates severe hypertension.
And that will do it. It gave us our blood pressure, and we'll catch you on the next review.